In primetime news this evening, don't blame administrators. Official at the Bustamante Hospital for Children calls out Health Minister for shifting focus on issues at the facility.
No service. Medical doctors island-wide stage silent protest.
And what about the health of the security forces? The Police Federation voices concerns. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. In the business day today, Caribbean Cement indicates there's no shortage of cement.
And with a preview of what's to come in sports, Spencer Darlington is here.
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, a Jamaican player has been named the captain of the West Indies squad for their upcoming limited over series at home to England. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And the man of the hour, Romain Robinson. What's coming up in the weather?
Thanks, Andrea. We have some rainfall that is expected as we start this week, and we are expecting much of this weather to peak between Wednesday and Thursday. Strong tropical wave moving through the area, and we still have that lingering area of low pressure to help unstable conditions across the region.
And there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what has been your experience getting care at public health facilities?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.